The one thing you do not want to do is leave money in the bank. Well, first of all, they're making money with your money, so why wouldn't you have your money make you money? If you have $10,000 sitting in the bank, it's gonna earn you 0.001%, which is only $10 in a 12-month term. In a year, your money will be $10,000 and $10, okay? You're gonna subtract that by inflation because inflation has been insane this year. So now your money is gonna be worth $9,209.20. So think about this. If you have $100 right now, you can afford 20 gallons of gas at $5 a gallon. Okay? 6 months ago, at $3 a gallon, you can afford the same amount of gas for only $60. But now, with $60, you can only afford 12 gallons of gas, which is almost half. So it's insane. Not only the bank is not making you any money, your money is literally going like this with the current inflation. So using the example of gas, from $3 to $5 a gallon, that's about 7%. On average, inflation is about 8%. But let me give you an example. I had an investor give me $60,000 that he had sitting in the bank. I used this money to rehab a property, and it took about 10 months, 8-9 months. On that period of time, he made 16% on his $60,000, which is way more than this, like way more, a lot more. So screw the banks, don't give them your money. This case, it was like a 6 to 8 month term. You can find a local investor, you can find low risk, safe investments. There's even like a high yield saving accounts that you can go to. Capital One has one that gives you like 3%. So if you want to be like super safe, there's ways that you can get like 3% in return on your investment. If you want a little bit more risk, the stock market averages like 6 to 12%. Real estate, it could be like 8 to 12% or more, depending on how much capital do you have. If this was helpful, let me know in the comments and get your money investing.